Elementor versus Instapage, which one is the best landing page software? This is a question that a lot of people looking to create landing pages for their business or personal projects are trying to answer. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is actually the best for your specific needs? In this video, we're going to dive into both Elementor and Instapage, comparing their features, performance, and value to help you make the best decision. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's start with Elementor. If you've done any research on landing page builders, you've probably come across Elementor. It's a WordPress plugin, which means it integrates directly with your WordPress website. What's great about Elementor is its ease of use. You don't need to know how to code to create stunning landing pages. With its drag-and-drop editor, you can customize every part of your page with ease. It also has a wide variety of pre-built templates, which is perfect for anyone who wants a quick start without having to design everything from scratch. But while Elementor's free version gives you access to a decent set of tools, you'll need to pay for the pro version to unlock its full potential. This includes advanced features like custom fonts, global widgets, and a broader range of design options. The downside here is that, even though it's powerful, Elementor might not be the most intuitive option for complete beginners, and the pro version can get pricey for users on a budget. Also, because it's a WordPress plugin, if you don't already have a WordPress site, you'll need to set that up first. Next, let's talk about Instapage. Unlike Elementor, Instapage is a standalone landing page builder that doesn't require WordPress. This can be a huge plus if you're not using WordPress, or if you want something that's a bit more versatile. The standout feature of Instapage is its focus on optimization. It's designed for marketers, so it offers built-in A/B testing, heat maps, and conversion analytics. If you're running ads or focused on getting higher conversion rates, Instapage optimization tools can be a real game changer. However, while Instapage is excellent for creating high-converting landing pages, it's also more expensive than Elementor. The pricing is subscription-based, and it can quickly add up, especially if you're just starting and don't need all the features. Plus, while it's easy to use, it's not as customizable as Elementor when it comes to design flexibility. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss landing page solution, Instapage can be great, but if you want a more hands-on, creative approach, Elementor gives you more control. The fourth thing to consider is performance. Both platforms are relatively fast when it comes to page load times, but Instapage has the edge here. It's built specifically for landing pages, and it's optimized to ensure that your pages load quickly, which can have a significant impact on your conversion rates. Elementor's performance, on the other hand, can sometimes slow down your site if you add too many heavy elements or complicated widgets. Another point to bring up is integrations. Both Elementor and Instapage offer integrations with popular tools like email marketing platforms, CRMs, and analytics software. But Instapage takes the lead here, with more native integrations out of the box, whereas Elementor relies more on third-party plugins for integrations. If you're relying on specific tools, this can make a big difference in terms of ease of use. So, both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. Elementor is great for those who want full design control and are comfortable with WordPress, while Instapage is better suited for marketers who need optimization features and don't mind paying a premium for them. But here's the thing, after trying both of these options myself, I found a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds. If you want a landing page software that's easy to use, doesn't require WordPress, and provides robust marketing features without breaking the bank, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Both Elementor and Instapage have their place in the market, but if you want a more seamless experience with more flexibility and fewer limitations, the alternative I'm sharing could be exactly what you're looking for.